Noah, what are you eating? Is it good?
Yeah. Mine is too. Mine's good too, Grandpa.
Is that? Very good.
Mine is too.
Is it?
Grandpa.
Oh, good.
We're all done. This is garbage for today.
Okay. You know when I take it off, I rip real hard, so there gets a part that's already open.
Oh. There's one right over there for you.
Here's the juice right there.